Here is the new power saver module from Limited Resources. This is a quick demo of what this is. It's essentially a device that you attach before any type of electrical appliance that you want to charge people for. So in this example, we're going to be using a laundry. A lot of rental properties have laundromats, and this is a way for owners to control the use of the laundry and not have people abuse it. So the way it works is here are my loonies, as you can see, and what we do is we place a loonie in. Before we do that, what we do is the power cord from the machine goes inside the box, as you can see from the bottom, and then what we do is we take the cord from the machine and we connect it to the power outlet, and it comes on. You put a deadbolt, lock bolt here, and no one can open the machine. So the way it works, you pick a particular time, say heavy, and what you do, move over here and you insert coins. As you see, as I insert coins, it adds time to the timer, and here we have 60 minutes. So in 60 minutes the laundry will remain on for, and then once the 60 minutes has expired, it will shut off on its own. And if you want to use it any longer, you have to deposit more money. So as you can see, we would use this type of machine for really anything. Air compressors, massage chairs. You could use it for campgrounds, power charging stations for phones, laptops, in airports, hotels, laundromats, dryers, really anything that you can imagine. So again, this is from limitedresources.us. The power saver, the phone number, if you'd like to order, is 647-931-1829. Or click the link in the description to get to the website.